We'll guide you through how to remove an Apple ID account from an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you wish to remove it, perhaps you're giving your phone away, selling it, or there's another reason. When you go and do this, another Apple ID account can then go and be used on here, but it's important to note when you go and remove it from the iPhone, this is going to go and remove features like Find My iPhone and other Apple account services as well, which can't be used without another Apple ID account. So do just consider that. But to go and get started, what you need to do is you need to go and head to the settings on the iPhone like so. You need to come right to the top. So this is the Apple ID account here. You want to go and tap on it. So if you're sure you want to go and do this, then what you need to do is go and head down to the bottom of this page. And there you'll go and see the option for sign out. Now in this case for me it's grayed out. It says sign out is not available due to restrictions. If that's the same for you, come back to the main settings. You then need to come and scroll down and find the option for screen time. Here you need to go and scroll down and you need to go and press change screen time passcode and press turn off screen time passcode. Enter it in. If you don't know, you have to get the who does know it to do it, or you can go and reset it if you've forgotten it. Now we've done that, you can come back to the settings, scroll to the top and find the Apple ID account again. Here you can then go and scroll down and the sign out option should now be available. We can go and tap there like so. It's going to say about erasing this iPhone. I don't want to do that. I want to sign out, but don't erase. So I'll press that there. Then we can go and press continue. Just read this through and understand it. Go and wait for this to then load. You're going to go and see what's going to be removed, the Apple account, Find My iPhone and wallet. Then we can go and press continue, I'm sure. And then to do this, you need to go and enter in your Apple account password to go and remove activation lock. You can see here it's now signing out. So just go and wait. And when it's finished, we take it back to the main settings page. As you can see, we've now successfully signed out. At the top, it just says Apple account, and then you can press here and you can always go and sign back in if you want to with a different account or the same one. So that's it.